It is time to refresh our home for spring with new Dollar Tree items. Welcome to CJ DIY. I am C. At the party section, you can find variety of nice gift boxes. The one who caught my eye was this cute spring box, and I wanted to give it a nice makeover. I really like how the cover looks, just perfect for spring. I will add those colorful straws with adding 2 in the back part of my box and adding 2 more in the front part of this box, with creating like a nice flower spring card, perfect for our home decor. In the front part, I cut off those 2 straws just a little bit so my cover can like bend over, so it can look like original flower card, just like so. Tiffany blue is just a perfect spring color, and this card have all those colors that I wanted to. I fill out the inside part of my card with a shopping bag and a floral foam. I cover the floral foam with the green moss from Dollar Tree. And before I start decorating my card, also to rise it up, I ended up adding those yellow vase fillers on each side of my card, and I think it looks super cute and whimsical and just perfect for spring. I also added a lights that at the end I will glue those lights on top of the roof, and also I added those cute duckies that I got from Timu. You can also add some bunnies, eggs, whatever you prefer. And I'm filling out the space with this vase filler, those colorful foam balls. And also in between I added some flowers, and not even 5 minutes you have a new look for this flower spring cart. Those glass vases are such a great find at Dollar Tree, together with these candle holders. When you combine them all, you can turn them into a multi-purpose glass apothecary look-alike jars. So I grabbed 2 of each so we can make a nice perfect look. I'm also using those holders that I thrifted while before, and I will be gluing them on top of my holders. Before that, I spray painted them with a white color. I am also using a mirror coasters, also from Dollar Tree, that I spray painted them with a white also, and I will be using them as a lid on top of my jars. On top of my lids, I will be adding crystal handle. Before that, I am measuring just to see the middle part where I will be gluing them, and then we will go on the next step. I'm adding a super glue from Dollar Tree, and I will let those handles stand just a little bit because they're slippery when we add them right away. So I just added a glue and leave it on the side until it's ready to add that handle on my coaster lid. For my next step, I will be adding those holders that I thrifted on top of my candle holders, with adding the super glue and just moving them upside down and leaving them on the side until they're all fully, completely glued. And after they're completely glued, you have a perfect multi-purpose look with these vase/jars that you can use them as an organization piece, or you can use them as a decoration piece with adding some LED candles inside, or just decorate them throughout the season. You can add some eggs inside of it, or you can add some candies for your kitchen. I mean, the sky is the limit. Every time when I visit Dollar Tree, I like to visit their frame section because they always have something new in there. This time I found those cute white frames with a golden detail around, and those are perfect for spring decor. So what I will do first, I will be using my IOD bow molds, and with my glue gun, I'm adding a hot glue inside of my mold to fill out all those bows that I will be adding on my frames. You can add air dry clay or resin, but with adding the glue it was easier and it was super fast. So now that they're dry, I removed them, I painted them with my gold matte finish paint, and now I like to see which of those bows can look the best on my 8x10 frames. I decided to add my larger bows on top of my frames with their tails. And with adding these bows on top of those frames, it looks like those frames originally were bought like this. You will not notice a difference. And they look so high-end and very expensive, and it will be a perfect look for your home decor. If you don't have molds to create bows like this, you can simply make any kind of bow or other details and can look super cute and very high-end. Now that my bows are glued, I will be adding those cute striped rice sheets from Decoupage Central. And I won't decoupage them, I will just add them inside as a picture so I can change it throughout the seasons. I'm just cutting off the excess on the edges, and that's it for this quick and easy hack. For my 5x7 frames, I did the same thing pretty much. I added a different print from these Decoupage Central sheets. I cut off the portion just enough to fit for the inside part, and I have added the cute bows that I made on the bottom part of my frames, and I have a perfect set for my vignette. Another cute makeover that I did is with these birthday gift boxes. I spray painted them with this ocean mist spray paint, and now that I covered them all and I let them dry, I will be creating stripes. So I get one of those painter's tapes from Dollar Tree, and simply I am just creating stripes until the whole box is filled with those stripes, and then I will add some white acrylic paint to create the stripe, and I will turn those boxes into jewelry boxes. But not just that, they can be a perfect statement on your shelves, and also you can use them as a storage at the same time, and a beautiful modern fashionable statement on your corners. Now that they're all covered with the painter's tape and I made stripes, I am just adding 2 coats with the white acrylic paint, and then I will let it dry and I will remove the tapes and we will have a perfect look with stripes. You don't need to be a lover of a stripes or this paint, but I think this Tiffany bluish mintish color is just a perfect look for spring and also Easter. So now that I removed the stripes, this is the look that I have. It looks super cute. Now to add some embellishment and to make them more high-end, I will be using my air dry clay and my IOD stamps. So what I did is I smoothed out the portion of my clay, and then on top I went over with my mold. I'm using these tags for my boxes, and after I created the design, I'm just cutting off the axis, and then I will paint off those tags and I will glue them in front of my boxes, and they look super cute and beautiful with this little detail on them. The color that I use is this mintish color that is from Dollar Tree. It looks super cute on those tags. And then to glue it on my box, I just add a super glue, and to speed up the gluing also on the edges, I added a hot glue, and that's it for that part. Another little detail that I added for my jewelry boxes are those doorknobs that they're also from Dollar Tree. With the knife, since this is a cardboard, I just made a little hole so I can add those knobs to it, and I tie it with their hardware on the inside part. And look at those cute jewelry boxes. Can you believe that those are made out of Dollar Tree birthday gift boxes? I love to work on the wooden cutouts from Dollar Tree, and those 2 shapes are just perfect for spring and Easter. On top of them, I will be adding those decoupage sheets from Decoupage Central, and we will turn them into a beautiful high-end tabletops for our vignettes. Simply, I'm adding a Mod Podge and adding my decoupage sheet on top. Super quick and easy makeover. I didn't need it to add some paint since those wood pieces are light enough. Perfect for decoupage. I am smoothing out with the brayer and then cutting off the axis on the side of my oval shapes, and then on the edges you will see that there is no enough sheet to cover those parts. So what I did to cover those parts, I also added an extra from those decoupage sheets just to make them look like all piece is covered together, just like so. So with the axis sheets, I am just filling out the empty spaces. After my first piece is complete, I will repeat the same steps on my other 3 wooden plaques. And now that they're all nice and sealed and smooth out, to complete the look, for the framing, I will be using the same mint paint that I used on my jewelry containers to make it all nice and cohesive with my decoupage print. They all blend in together like those art pieces were originally bought like this. Super cute and easy makeover. You can add any kind of napkins or bunnies or stickers on those wooden plaques from Dollar Tree. You will never be wrong, and you can create your own creations, perfect for your home decor, perfect for spring and Easter. I am adding another little detail to my frames with adding a golden line with this golden marker from Dollar Tree on top of the sheet where I added the rice sheet, and then in the middle part where these signs have like a crannies in between, some nice design. So with this gold and this mint color, they blend in together perfect. And another little detail are those lace bows that I made, and this mint ribbon also is from Dollar Tree, and I'm gluing those bows on top of each sign. And then for the bottom part, I added some flowers and some greeneries to make them more cuter. And that's it for this cute and easy creation. And my darlings, we came to the end of this episode. If you like my content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. And let me know which one is your favorite. And for some suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And until next time, my darlings, stay blessed from me to you. Bye-bye.